Genesis chapter 14. The land was restless. Tensions have been brewing for years until war erupted. From the east, four powerful kings swept across the nations like a storm, led by Chedorlaomer of Elam. Their armies crushed every tribe, every fortress, every hope in their path. Cities fell, people fled, none could stand against them. But in the lush valley of the Jordan, 5 kings dared to resist. Their pride and freedom were at stake. They marched into the valley of Siddim, a battlefield dotted with treacherous tar pits under the burning desert sun. When steel met steel, the clash shook the earth. But the tide turned quickly. The kings of Sodom and Gomorrah fled for their lives, their soldiers falling into the pits or scattering into the skills. The invaders seized their cities, their treasures, and their people. Among the captives was Lot, the nephew of Abram. He was dragged away, bound, and carried off with all he owned. Far away in the tents of Abram, a survivor stumbled in, breathless, dirt-streaked, his eyes wide with fear. He told the tales of Lot's capture. Abram's heart pounded, not with fear, but with resolve. His kin was in chains, and Abram would not stand idle. He called for his men, 318 trained warriors born in his own household. With his allies, they mounted their pursuit, chasing the invaders for days, up through the northern hills, to the edge of the land near Dan. Then, under the cloak of night, Abram struck. Splitting his forces, he attacked from every side. Swords flashed in the darkness. The enemy, taken by surprise, broke ranks and fled. Abram pressed them hard, driving them all the way to Hobah, north of Damascus. By dawn, the battle was over. The captives were freed, the stolen goods restored, and Lot was safe again. On the journey home, a figure emerged. Melchizedek, king of Salem, and priest of God Most High. Clothed in royal robes, he brought out bread and wine and spoke a blessing over Abram. Blessed be Abram by God Most High, creator of heaven and earth, and blessed be God Most High, who has delivered your enemies into your hand. Abram bowed, and from the spoils of victory he gave Melchizedek a tenth of all. Then came the king of Sodom, offering Abram the wealth of the plunder. But Abram's voice was firm. I will take nothing, not even a thread, nor a strap of a sandal, so that you may never say, I made Abram rich. And so Abram returned, not richer in gold, but richer in honor, faith, and the fear of the Lord. A man whose name was spoken with both awe and reverence.